It started out with graphene and then it went to functions. I'm doing FOIL to solve X. Next is the expression.
Week number 25. It's not about perfect, it's about effort. This is our grid view for all of our slides and our game plans. Week number 25, February 16th to February 19th, 2021. This week we're going to be starting Module 3, which is called Inverting or the Inverse Functions. And our topic, or 3.1, is going to be all about radical functions. Now, the word for radical is square root. And in our first lesson, we'll be talking about inverses of power functions. Our learning goal is students will be able to determine functions and inverses on their packets. We'll be able to sketch the graphs, we'll graph the square root and cube roots, and also find the inverse of those functions. Room 902 news, nothing new about your grades, but remember, if you have something to turn in late, go ahead and follow this order. Schoology courses, click on the math page. Under materials, I have a welcome page, and then you click on late work, it explains it and has a link for you to submit. All right, so you guys have about a little bit less than 2 weeks for your first Khan Academy check for the second semester. Easy way, helps you also learn math. Remember, participation, if you're non-responsive or less than 30 minutes, you will lose part of your participation. And don't forget all the helps that we have for you. School tutoring, my office hours, make an appointment with me by clicking on the link. I'll do it even outside of this time. And also Miss Ophelia's math, ELD Spanish, Google Meets link, you can just click on that during that times. All of my clubs, and they are both actually meeting today. And then the big one for today is today in class we'll be taking chapter 2.1 test. Period 3, you'll take it today, Tuesday, and then periods 4 and 6, you will take it on Wednesday. It'll remain open until Monday, so for some reason you're absent on that Tuesday or Wednesday, you can take it Thursday or Friday or even the weekend, but then I will close it. My YouTube channel is growing. I'm very thankful. Had 100,000 views, and then the next step is if I can get to 1,000 subscribers. I have 220. Remember, just because you're a subscriber doesn't mean you have to get automatically the notifications for other math classes, but at least you are up to date, and I have about half of the public watch hours. So this would probably just help me sustain my website. Essential question for week 25, how do you determine if they are functions or inverses? So how do you determine functions and inverses? We'll be using the vertical line test and the horizontal line test. Okay, Monday, no school. Today, week 25, at a glance, also for Tuesday and Wednesday. So period 3, you're taking the test today. And period 3, when you guys are done Wednesday, you can just do a Khan Academy day. Periods 4 and 6, you'll be taking the test on this day. So you can either take the test in class or test on the asynchronous day for you, or you could just do Khan Academy on this on Tuesday. Thursday and Friday, we're going to start Skills Practice 3.1. So if you click on this, let me show it to you what it looks like. We're going to watch this intro video on Thursday and Friday. The theoretical, you can watch that kind of long, very technical, theoretical, or lots of theories, but it's fine. You can watch that. But the practical, what you kind of need to know, it'll take 9 minutes, intro video, and then here's also an extra example for you. I have this sentence frame that you just need to circle either yes or no, is or is not, and then passes or fails. And then, of course, if you want to see step-by-step for each of those videos, you have the video solutions for A. So we're doing B as well. We're going to watch this intro video. And by the time of, as I'm recording this, these should be done, but I need to have video solutions and intros for C and D. Okay? So that's Skills Practice 3.1. And let's take a look at your work. All right, you were supposed to have turned in assignment 25.4, which is your completing last year's test, 300 points, corrections, 300 points, and quiz number 9, corrections, 300 points. If you have not done that, you can do that after the test, okay? And that's all I have for you guys for week number 25. It's not about perfect, it's about effort. We'll see you guys. Bye.
It started out with graphene and then it went to functions. I'm doing FOIL to solve x. Next is the expressions. Now I have to see if x is equal to or greater than 3. Now you make that point on the x-axis. Wait, was it a positive 3 or a negative 3?